Many Garmin handhelds come preloaded with TopoActive mapping. This includes routable roads, trails, points of interest, topographic contour lines, and more for outdoor activities. The new Montana 710, 710i, and 760i series handhelds can install worldwide TopoActive maps. There are two ways to complete this process. The first is through the Garmin Express computer application. The other way is through a Wi-Fi connection. We will show you both in this video. Today we will be using a Montana 710 handheld. The process is the same for the Montana 710i and 760i series devices. Depending on where your device was purchased, it will have the appropriate global region already installed. Start by downloading the Garmin Express computer application at garmin.com/express. We will be using a Mac computer, but the instructions are similar on Windows computers. Connect the Montana 710 handheld to your computer with the USB-C data cable. Then launch Garmin Express, followed by selecting Add a Device. Then select Add Device when Garmin Express recognizes your Montana 710. If you have a Garmin account, you can sign in here. You can also create an account to sync your activities. We will be creating a new account. Select Create an Account. Then enter your account credentials. Select Create Account. Review the storage and processing agreement. Select Agree. You can give each device a unique name. This will be useful if you have more than one device. Then select Next. Now you can set up a Wi-Fi connection for your device. It is not required for this first method of installing TopoActive mapping. Select Add a new network. Now select a Wi-Fi network. Then enter the password if necessary. Select Next. Any software or map updates will be shown. To change to another TopoActive global region, select Manage Maps. Maps that are preloaded on your Montana 710 will be shown on the left. Selecting TopoActive will bring up a list of all the available TopoActive global regions. We are going to add TopoActive Antarctica. Select View to see the coverage preview. To close the map coverage screen, select Close. Select the checkbox next to the map you want to download to add a TopoActive global region. Then select Apply Changes. Review the license agreement and select Accept. An estimated installation time and a region list will be shown. Select Continue. Garmin Express will begin the download. Once downloaded, the maps will be transferred to your device. Your Montana 710 can be disconnected from the computer. The new map is ready to use. To remove a map region, select your Montana 710 in Garmin Express. Select Manage Maps. Select TopoActive in the left pane to view your installed global regions. To remove a global region, uncheck it. Then select Apply Changes. After reviewing the license agreements, select Accept. Select Continue to confirm the removal. Occasionally, an update will be available for a map region. On your Montana handheld, from the Map Manager, select TopoActive Maps. Then select the region the update is available for. Select Update. With a Wi-Fi connection, managing maps can be done directly on your Montana 710 handheld. To set up the Wi-Fi network on your device, open the main menu. Select Setup. Then select Wi-Fi, followed by Add Network. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password if required. Select the check mark, followed by OK. Once the network has been established, select Map Manager. The bar at the top shows how much space is available for additional maps. Select TopoActive Maps. To add a new global region of TopoActive mapping, select Add at the top. A list of global regions that can be downloaded will be displayed. Scroll down to the map you would like to download. Selecting a map will show the map coverage, size, and version. Select Download to begin the process. Download times can vary depending on the size of the map and your internet connection speed. Your downloaded map will appear on the map page. To remove a map, select it from the map screen. The coverage area will be shown. Select the menu icon, followed by Remove. Select OK to confirm. The map removal will begin. Once finished, you will return to the map page. And that's it. We've learned how to add, update, and remove TopoActive regions on the Montana 710, 710i, and 760i directly on the device or using Garmin Express. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Enjoy your next adventure.